A dying brand new battery in a Ford Escape is caused by an unreset battery management system that requires a manual override to fix the charging voltage. When you swap in a fresh battery, the vehicle computer continues to use the worn-out charging profile from your old, degraded battery. This outdated profile causes the alternator to severely undercharge your new battery, leaving you stuck with a dead vehicle and failing electronics within a few days. Resetting the engine computer forces the system to recognize the new battery and deliver the correct voltage to prevent premature cell damage. You can perform this reset in under 1 minute without any expensive diagnostic scan tools or mechanical experience. Sit inside the vehicle, keep your foot off the brake, and press the start button once to turn the ignition on without cranking the engine. Flash the high beams 5 times rapidly, then immediately press and fully release the brake pedal 3 times in a row. Wait 10 seconds while watching the dashboard battery symbol flash multiple times to confirm the system has successfully registered your new battery.